These are fabulous, either hot or just at room temperature. All you need to do is boil some potatoes with the skins, just cut into small pieces, and just gonna add some of this fantastic 4-year-old white balsamic. And the hot potatoes are just gonna drink up that gorgeous vinegary juice, just a little sprinkling across that, and I'm just gonna crush those with a dining fork. So I'm not mashing it completely smooth. I'm gonna add some of this gorgeous 0 extra virgin olive oil. Just enough to season and make it a little glossy. Okay. So that's it. Quick and easy crushed potatoes. Serve hot or lukewarm.